Curious about exploring the hidden microscopic world, but not sure which camera gives the clearest view? Well, you're about to find out. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best microscope cameras. Powerful, precise, and built for science, research, and discovery. Whether you're after ultra-high resolution, smart connectivity, or real-time imaging, we've got you covered. Stay till the end and find out which one is perfect for you. Let's go. Item number 5. Meet the Yizhan 4K 48 megapixel digital microscope camera, a perfect choice for electronics, PCB soldering, and scientific research. Powered by a Sony 48 megapixel sensor, it delivers crystal clear K Ultra HD resolution with 150x zoom for stunning microscopic detail. Built with a durable CNC milled aluminum alloy body, it's both strong and portable. Enjoy seamless connectivity through HDMI, USB, and Type-C, plus one-click freeze, digital zoom, auto exposure, and remote control features, giving you complete precision and control. Whether for professional lab work or hobby exploration, this camera truly brings the invisible world to life. Item number 4. Introducing the Yizian Electron Digital Microscope 4K Ultra HD camera, perfect for electronics repair, soldering, and scientific work. It features a 1.8-inch Sony IMX678 CMOS sensor, delivering stunning 4K resolution and high-quality images even in low light. With 1:150x C-mount zoom, HDMI and USB-C output, screen split, and one-button freeze-thaw, it offers ultimate precision. Additional features include electronic zoom, manual auto exposure, white balance, and 16-line drawing. Sturdy metal build, adjustable LED illumination, and TF card support up to 64 gigabytes make it a professional-grade, portable microscope camera for any lab or hobby setup. Item number 3. Introducing the Kuai 4K digital microscope camera, perfect for electronics, PCB soldering, and precision work. Equipped with a 0.5-inch Sony IMX415 sensor, it delivers stunning 4K UHD video and up to 60 megapixel photos. It features 150x C-mount zoom, electronic zoom, one-click freeze-thaw, and manual auto exposure and white balance for precise imaging. Connectivity is seamless via HDMI, USB-C, and TF card support up to 64 gigabytes. With a durable CNC milled aluminum alloy body, adjustable LED illumination, and multi-language menu, it's a professional-grade portable microscope camera for any lab or hobby setup. Item number 2. Introducing the Yizhan 48 megapixel 4K digital microscope camera, perfect for electronics, PCB soldering, and detailed inspections. Equipped with a 1/2.8-inch Sony IMX415 sensor, it delivers 4K UHD video and up to 48 megapixel photos with exceptional clarity. Features include 150x C-mount zoom, electronic magnification, one-click freeze-thaw, and auto manual exposure and white balance. Connectivity is seamless via HDMI, USB-C, and TF card support up to 64 gigabytes, while the durable aluminum alloy body and 56 adjustable LED lights ensure precision in any workspace. Portable, foldable, and smart device compatible, a true professional-grade microscope camera. Item number 1. Introducing the Elikliv EM4K AF Flex 4K digital microscope, perfect for electronics, PCB soldering, and precise component inspection. It features autofocus with TUF sensor technology, delivering fast, accurate focus in just 2 seconds. Experience stunning 4K UHD video at 30 FPS and 52 megapixel ultra-clear images on a large 10.1-inch IPS screen with 178-degree viewing angle. With 1 to 2000x magnification, tri-screen output, HDMI USB connectivity, and flexible cantilever arm, it ensures effortless positioning and immersive viewing. Foldable, portable, and user-friendly, this microscope brings professional lab-grade precision to your workspace. Which of these microscope camera is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.